welcome back to the Monkey Mischief calendar time. One thing we like to work on is letters and numbers before we start our day, because in the morning it is the peak prime time to do your best learning. I try and get as much in the morning as possible, and then we work on the skills later in the afternoon. So I pick a word family. Let's say this week it is it. And I let them know, okay, word family of this week is it. When you see IT together, you know it says it. That's right. When we put IT together, we know it says it. Good job. When we put IT together, we know it says it. Good job. Get your valley fingers together. Get your valley fingers. Ready? B. It. Put it together. Bit. Good job. Ready? Let's read it again. B. It. Put it together. Bit. Good job. Now the number for today is the number 127. What is this number? 127. What is this number? 127. When you see a 1, 2, and a 7 together, you know it says 127. Good job. Now let's read the number 127. All right, ready? What does this say? 127. Good job. What does this say? 127. Good job. Same? Yes. Now tens frame. We're going to count by tens until we get to our fives and our singles. And then we're going to add the 5, and then we're going to add the 1s. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 126, 127. Same? Yes. Same. Yes. Now, with our tallies, every cross is a bundle of 5. So we're going to count by 5s until we get to our single tally. Then we're going to add them by 1. Ready? Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 126, 127. Good job. Same. Yes. Same. Yes. Same. Yes. Now with money, we know when we are counting money, we want to use the biggest coins possible. So when I think of 127, I think of a hundreds chart. And how quickly can I make 100? And then I'll worry about the 27. So when I think of pennies, how many pennies will it take to make 100 cents? It will take 100 pennies. Good job. So 100 pennies equals $1. Good job. Then I'm going to have 27 more pennies to add. That's going to make my pocket really full, or my wallet really full. That's probably not a good idea to carry around that many pennies. So I'm going to think of a nickel. How many nickels does it take to make 100? 20. Good job. 20 nickels make up 100 cents. But then I have to still add my 27 cents to that. That's a lot of coins to carry in my purse. So let's try something else. How about how many dimes does it take to make 100? Yes, 10 dimes. Good job. But then we still have our 27 cents that we have to put in. And dimes, having too many dimes is a little bit hard because if you pull out one, you might drop some and lose some, and they're small. So maybe there's a better choice. How about quarters? How many quarters does it take to make 100? That's right, 4. 1 quarter is, good, 25. 2 quarters are 50. Good. 3 quarters are 75. And 4 quarters are 100. Good job. Let's see if there's other options we could use. How about the rare coin, the coin that we don't necessarily always have, but if we had, how many would we need to make 100? 2. Good job. What's the coin? $50. And how much is it worth? 50 cents. So 2 50 cents makes 100. Good job. Now I could trade all these coins in for $1. So that's going to leave me with, we've got 127, and I'm going to take away my 100. So I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to circle in the ones place. I'm going to circle the 7, put it in my head, and look at this sign. This sign is subtraction. It tells me to count down. You're right. So I'm going to put 7 in my head, count down the bottom number 0, and then what's in my head? 7. Good. I'm going to move to the tens place. Circle the top number 2, put it in my head, and count down the bottom number 0. What's in my head? 2. Good job. So this leaves me with 27. What do I see here? That's right, 2 dimes. I'm going to take those 2 dimes away. So I'm going to start in the ones place, circle the top number 7, put it in my head, and then look at this sign. This sign is subtraction. It tells us to count down. So I'm going to put 7 in my head, count down the bottom number 0. What's in my head? 7. Good job. Now, what do I see in the number 7? A nickel. Good job. So I'm going to subtract it by 5. I'm going to put top number, circle the top number, put it in my head, and look at this sign. This sign is subtraction. It tells us to count down. So I'm going to put 7 in my head, count down the bottom number 5. Ready? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. So that's going to leave us with 2 pennies. Nice. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to count. I've traded all those coins in, and I made my 100 into $1. Then I'm going to add my quarter and then my pennies. Ready? 100, add my quarter, 125, add my pennies, 126, 127. Now we can say this as 127 cents, or we could say this as $1.27. Is this same? Yes. Same. Yes. Same. Yes. Same. Yes. Now, if I don't have a dollar bill, what can I use to make $1 quicker? Quarter. Yes. 1 quarter is 25. 2 quarters is 50. Good. 3 quarters is 75. Right. And 4 quarters are 100. And then we know that we took out, right, a 20 and a 5. So if we add that together, that makes 25. So we have our 5 quarters and then our 2 little pennies. Ready? Let's count. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 126, 127. Now we can say this as 127 cents, or we can call this $1.27. Ready? Same. Yes. Same. Yes. Same. Yes. Same. Yes. Same. Yes. That's the cool thing about numbers, is we can make the same amount in different ways.
start your letters?
At the top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top?
It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top?
It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.